Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Raid Max liquid ant bait. First, take a moment to identify where ants are most active, looking for their trails and entry points into your home. It's also crucial to remove any other food sources nearby, ensuring the ants are drawn directly to the bait. Always review the product's instructions thoroughly before you start. Once you've prepared the area, it's time for strategic placement. Position the bait stations directly on active ant trails or very close to where they enter your home. Remember, do not use other insecticides in the vicinity, as this will repel the ants from the bait. For best results, deploy one bait station for every distinct ant trail you identify. After placing the bait, it's important to monitor the stations daily. You'll likely see ants feeding, which is a good sign the bait is working. If a station becomes empty, replace it immediately to ensure continuous treatment. With consistent use, you should observe a significant decrease in ant activity within just a few days, leading to a more ant-free environment. Finally, safety and proper disposal are paramount. Always ensure that all bait stations are placed in areas inaccessible to children and household pets. After handling the bait, remember to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. When the bait stations are empty or no longer needed, dispose of them responsibly, following your local guidelines for waste disposal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.